You're probably already enjoying wakame without even knowing it. Traditionally used in cold salads or as toppings on tofu, rice, sushi, or soups, wakame is a type of edible brown seaweed popular in Japanese, Korean, and Chinese cuisine. But it is finding its way onto all types of menus thanks to its nutrient density and delicious umami flavor. Find out everything you need to know about the health benefits of wakame and why this sea vegetable deserves to be on your plate. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more healthy choices videos and give us a like at the end of the video. So let's get started. What is wakame? You might associate seaweed with the smelly, slimy stuff on the beach, but it is actually packed with nutrients and surprisingly delicious. Wakame is a species of edible seaweed, a type of marine algae, and a sea vegetable. It has a subtly sweet but distinctive and strong flavor and texture. Health benefits of wakame? 1. It's anti-inflammatory. Thanks to its high omega-3 content, wakame may help to reduce overall inflammation in the body, which is a driver for many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and digestive conditions. 2. It supports thyroid health. Wakame is one of the highest food sources of iodine, which can help prevent thyroid problems, conditions most commonly triggered by iodine deficiency. This is because iodine is key for thyroid hormone production and function. Just be aware that excessive iodine may actually worsen thyroid symptoms, so talk with your healthcare provider about finding the most helpful level of iodine for you. 3. It may help promote weight loss. While most of the research on wakame and weight loss has been conducted in animals, the results have been promising. One study found that a carotenoid in wakame called fucoxanthin reduced body fat and triglycerides in mice, while another found that fucoxanthin stimulated fat oxidation, especially dangerous visceral fat, in obese mice. In humans, a study found those who consumed 4 to 6 grams of seaweed a day had lower blood pressure and waist circumference, both contributors to metabolic syndrome. 4. It may help control blood sugar and insulin levels. Research is still preliminary, but wakame may have a blood sugar balancing effect. A 2019 study found that people with prediabetes who consumed 200 grams of rice with 4 grams of wakame had better post-meal blood sugar responses than those who consumed rice without wakame. 5. It's good for your heart. Full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, wakame, unsurprisingly, may have some heart-healthy benefits. Animal studies showed that wakame can reduce cholesterol. Although there is limited research on humans, one study reported improvements in LDL, triglycerides, and body weight in men who followed a healthy Japanese diet compared to a Western diet. The intervention Japanese diet included seaweed as a staple food, suggesting sea vegetables may play an important role in cholesterol management and heart health. Even more reasons to love wakame. There are few foods that require as little investment to produce a nutritious and high-quality product as seaweed. It's easy to farm and doesn't require fertilizer. Seaweed farms can protect reefs from storms and even help filter pollutants from seawater. Future potential uses include clothing material, an alternative to plastics, and helping reduce cow-produced methane gas. How to eat wakame? Wakame is most often available in its dried form at natural health food stores and Asian food markets. All you need to do is simply soak it in water for about 10 minutes to rehydrate, then add it to your favorite foods and recipes for a salty umami flavor. Possible side effects. Though wakame is generally healthy, consuming excess amounts may cause adverse side effects in some people. Certain brands may contain high amounts of sodium, which can increase blood pressure in those who are sensitive to its effects. The bottom line. Wakame is a highly nutritious, edible seaweed that can add a range of vitamins and minerals to your diet for a low number of calories. It's also been associated with various health benefits, including lower cholesterol levels, decreased blood pressure, and enhanced weight loss. Best of all, there are many different ways to enjoy this tasty seaweed as part of a balanced diet, making it easy to take advantage of its unique health-promoting properties.